Her eyes are pale and they're clear.
You get to sell that picture.
Huh? What? Oh yeah, this one here. He's very photogenic. That one in the back. Eyes named Cree. You know, he actually picked out his own name. Yeah, I went, cause when we got him from the Humane Society over there in Fort Pierce, nobody really knew anything about him or his name or anything. But they knew he was a wolf. And so when he came here, he just was scared to death of everybody and everything. I don't think she even tried to make friends with him. So I got my native book out that has everybody's tribe from all over North America, you know, from everywhere. And I started reading the names, and every time I came to a name, he stopped and looked at me. So I wrote it down, and then I kept on going. He'd run around and around, and I'd come to another name with a, and he'd stop and look at me. So I wrote that one down. I got like 5 or 6 names. And then I started saying them over and over again. And the one he stopped at for all of those is the one that I named him. And he liked that one. Cree. He's an awesome boy. Yes, you are, Cree. No one's ever hurt you in here. No one's ever gonna hurt you in here. You know? You're fine. Yes, you are.